The American Express Platinum refresh just dropped, and it's about to change your wallet and the credit card game forever. This is breaking news. American Express just dropped the biggest refresh we've ever seen on both the Platinum and the Business Platinum cards. And I'm not talking about the fee hike, I'm talking about a brand new limited edition mirror design, thousands of dollars in new perks, and yes, a new annual fee that's about to shock people. But here's the kicker. If you're an existing card member, you get all the perks right away. The sexy new card design if you order it, but you won't pay the higher fee until renewal, so just remember that. Now, I already locked mine in and it's shipping to me in October. Trust me, this is one of the rarest times when you need to act now. Make sure that you stick with me to the end because I'm going to show you what the card actually looks like because I actually have one. Because I'll be honest with you, the last time American Express dropped a refresh on a credit card like the Delta Reserve, now I didn't act fast and then I never got the new card. So make sure that you go inside of your app and you go to the replace my card section in the American Express app, and that will show you the new mirror design that you can order and get on the waiting list because it's gonna run out, I promise you. Well, it's technically not a wait list if you go ahead and order it right now, but if you wait, it won't be an option later on. Now we're gonna break this down into the design, all the perks, and why you should possibly consider getting this card because I already have the Business Platinum and the Personal Platinum. Let's start with the design. Amex just dropped a limited edition mirrored platinum card. Sleek, reflective, collector status, and it's not permanent. If you don't request it now, you'll be stuck with the old look when this one disappears. Now, please bear with me. If you hear any hammering or anything kind of crazy, you're not hearing things. There's construction still going on in my office, but I felt that I had to jump in and get this video done as fast as I possibly could because this is huge news for any Amex Platinum card holders or business card holders, or if you're interested in getting the card. Listen, I don't care what anyone says. Part of owning the Platinum card is about the flex. When you pull this out at dinner, people notice. That mirror finish screams exclusivity. That's why I ordered mine the second I saw the announcement. If you're holding a Platinum and you don't upgrade, man, you're missing out on the coolest redesign in years. And don't come for me in the comments and say, why are you pulling out your Platinum for dinner? You should be using your gold. Yes, I get it, but I'm just saying, okay? Now, for the perks. This isn't just lipstick on a card. Amex went all in with lifestyle credits that add up fast if you actually use them. Pay attention to what I said. If you actually use them. So let's talk about what's new. The hotel credit jumped from $200 a year to a whopping $600 a year, but it's split into two $300 chunks every 6 months. Use it at fine hotels and resorts or the hotel collection stays booked through the Amex Travel. That's real tangible travel money. It's one of my favorite perks that we get to use inside of the fine hotels and resorts. I just used it to book a hotel in Charlotte because I'm going there for the weekend with the wifey. Now you're also going to get the digital entertainment credit, which is leveled up to $300 a year, about $25 a month. But the game changer, YouTube and YouTube TV now qualify, which to be honest with you, that's massive. Streaming junkies, this basically pays for itself. Now listen, I'm not trying to be biased here because I am on YouTube, but YouTube TV cannot be touched by any other service. I believe it's the best out there. If you're someone that's looking for like local cable services, you can in fact still get your local channels and all of the ones that you actually choose to get and record it all. It's one of my favorite things that I actually still pay for. Now moving on to the Resi Dining credit, $400 a year split into $100 each quarter. That means every quarter you're getting comped meals at Resi partner restaurants. If you eat out, this is basically free food 4 times a year. Now everyone speculated about the Lululemon credit, and I don't like to speculate, so I just wait until the information drops 100% from American Express. But yes, the Lululemon credit is actually there. $300 a year split quarterly. Amex is literally paying for your workout clothes. Like, who doesn't want to refresh their gear for free? You're also going to get the Uber One credit, which is $120 a year to cover your Uber One membership. That's delivery discounts and ride savings baked in. Now this is a very interesting one, and it's making me wonder, like, should I do this? The Aura Ring credit. You're gonna get $200 credit for the Smart Health Ring everyone's obsessing over, not the subscription, but the actual hardware. Amex basically is handing out wearable tech. And we're also seeing new hotel partnerships, including Sterling status with leading hotels of the world. More upgrades, more perks when you check in. Add that all up and you're starting at over $3,500 in annual perks if you actually use them. That's not fluff. That's real money. Okay, here we go. Here comes the part where people start yelling in the comments, the fee. The new Amex Platinum annual fee is now $895. That's up from $695. Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. If you're new to the card, you'll pay the fee right away. If you're an existing member like me, you don't pay the fee until your renewal. That means for the next year, you're raking in all these boosted perks at the old fee, and it's honestly a steal. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Luis. Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now here's a little insider thing that a lot of people aren't talking about. If you've already used your actual hotel credit, you're actually refreshing and getting that new credit. So you're actually getting more value with the old fee. And honestly, even at $895, the math checks out. If you're maximizing those hotel, dining, entertainment, and lifestyle credits, you're pulling in $3,500 plus in value. That's nearly 4x what you pay. All right, I want your take. Drop it in the comments. Do you think the Amex Platinum is worth $895 a year? Be real with me. Because for me, it's a yes, because I use every single credit, but I wanna know how you feel in the comments below. Is this worth it or are you out? And when I say are you out, for all of my existing card holders out there, are you going to stick with this actual massive annual fee and use the benefits? Or are you just like, you know what, it's just not for me? And listen, it's okay to say that. It really is. And this is the thing that I tell people all the time. It has to make sense for your lifestyle, because if it doesn't, then you're just paying a massive annual fee. Here's why I'm telling you not to wait. That mirrored design is limited. It won't be here forever. And when it's gone, you'll regret not grabbing it. Ordering is easy. Just log in, request a replacement card, and you'll have it in days. Well, actually, I'll be flexing mine in October, so you should be too if you order it today. And you better believe I'm posting it everywhere. Don't be the one who waited and missed it like I did with the new refresh on the business reserve from Delta. Now, second question for you. Are you ordering the new Mirrored Platinum or are you sticking with the OG design? Drop your answer below. That's 2 comments. Tell me if you think the fee's worth it, and if you're grabbing the limited edition design, I want both takes in the comments. And of course, now for the moment that you've been waiting for. Now, they didn't send it in any fancy box because I already had the Platinum card, so they sent it in an envelope. So we're not gonna show that. We're just gonna reveal the card, as you can see right there. That's pretty crazy. It literally is a mirrored card. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Out of all the dope credit cards, I have to say this one right here takes the cake. I don't know how any other credit card is going to compete against this, because it just can't. I mean, the benefits, all of the credits. You tell me in the comments, is it worth it to you? And what do you think about this new credit card and its new design? This is hands down the biggest Platinum refresh in years. Bigger perks, bigger flex, bigger value. Yeah, the fee went up, but so did the benefits. And for existing card holders, this is the best deal you'll get for at least the next year. I already ordered mine. The question is, are you getting yours? Last part's the most important. Okay, hold on. I almost forgot one last very important part for any existing Platinum card holders. Now, you have a $75 credit at Lululemon every quarter, but you only have until September 30th to use it for the first round. Plus, a brand new Resi dining credit that's $100 per quarter. Enroll first in the app, then spend before the month ends or it vanishes. Now, that's $175 in real value sitting in your account right now. But if you don't claim it in the next 2 weeks, it's gone, because no rollovers and no excuses. So make sure that you tag someone with the Platinum card so they don't waste that $175. Now, if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee, and you can do all of it just from your phone. No need for a printer or a computer. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.